Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A10 to an Android device. Start by accessing Play Store on both smartphones. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Then you need to click on Open. Following that, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and finally allow on both devices. Then you need to select click, you need to select receive on an Android and send on A10. After that, tap on all of those kind of dots and select send in order to send all of your data. It will take a lot of time, so I will only go into photos category, select one of them like that one and tap send. Then choose got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, select allow or while using the app and point your device's camera at the QR code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of files app, select in my case images and look for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!